Hello everyone and welcome to Matchbox Memories. Today we are going to look at the Matchbox Moving Parts Mix 7 of 2024. There are a bunch of brand new castings in this mix and a bunch of repeats as well. So let's go through this fairly quickly. I don't want to spend too much time on this video. Let's start off with this brand spanking new casting, the 2022 Opel Mokka. As you can see, it says new for 2024. It's this beautiful green color. The same box we've seen, or the same packaging we've seen for a while. It's this recycled metal, recycled foam, and I think all the packaging is made of recycling material. 2023 Mattel license. Let's go ahead and open this up and have a look at it. So I have the Opel Mokka out of its packaging. First time we're seeing this casting. The hood does open, that is the moving part. Let's see if I can do it. Detailed engine, etc. It's quite nice. It's left-hand drive, as you can see. Tinted windows. Decent set of tires. Detailed back, look at that. Opel Mokka. Not sure I've seen this on the roads. It's nice. All right, next, let's have a look at the 2024 Chevy Blazer EV. Second version of this that we've seen. It came out in maroon to begin with. I'm not going to spend too much time on the packaging. It's all quite similar. There's the card art. Let's open this up, have a look at it. All right, the 2024 Chevy Blazer EV in all its glory in this metal flake blue. Detailed front and back. Left-hand drive. Some details in the engine. The hood does not stay up. 2024 Chevy Blazer. And like I said, this is the second version. The first version came in red. Not sure if I like one of them more than the other. I think they both look good. Okay, next we have the 1956 Morris Minor. And as you can see, I've got two versions. I did flash of point of flashlight in there, and as you know, this casting does come in left-hand, right-hand drive. I'm pretty sure I've got the two versions, the left and the right-hand drive. I will be opening them both and we will have a look at it, as well as some previous models that Matchbox has done in this particular die-cast vehicle. So there it is. Let's open it up and have a look at it. Actually, let's open both of them up and have a look at them. All right, so I've opened both of them up, and as I thought, one is left-hand drive, the other is right-hand drive. The moving part on these are the engine, and the engine does open and stays open, which is nice. It's not always the case with these moving parts vehicles. I really like this vehicle. So glad that Matchbox added it to its line. Look at that, fully detailed. It looks absolutely incredible. Slight gap, but it's not terrible. Beautiful interior, and then there's the other version of it. And then we've seen several different colors now. I've I've got the left-hand, right-hand drive in the gray version of it. This is from the 70th anniversary set. I shouldn't say set. This is just from a moving parts set from the 70th anniversary. And then also found it in this beige, but unfortunately I only have the one version. Just have the left-hand drive. I need the right-hand drive version of that particular one. So there they all are. And then let's just have a quick look at the hardtop versions as well, since we've got them out, or since I've got them out. And this also comes in left-hand, right-hand drive. First four vehicles, I don't have the left-hand, right-hand drive, just the silver one from the 70th anniversary. Again, this is left-hand, right-hand drives. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there they are. The other three, I'm still looking for their partners. So that's it, guys. And Morris Minor Saloon. So that's it for the Morris Minor Saloons, and we will keep opening the rest of these moving parts vehicles up. All right, next we are going to go look at this 1995 Volkswagen Golf MK3. This also has a variation. This one has a trunk that is either empty or has goods in it. Now the hard part with this vehicle is when you open it blind because you can't see what's in the trunk. So I've got two of them. I'm hoping I got the right versions. We will open them up and have a look at them and see if I did. So give me a second while I open them up, or and have a look at the different versions. All right, so I've opened the first version up, and it is the version with goods in the back. Haven't opened up the second version yet, or the second one I own. Not sure if its trunk is empty or the same as this. Beautiful casting, love this car. It does seem a bit long to me for some reason, but still quite nicely done. All right, fingers crossed that this is the other version. Let's see what we have in there. Sadly for me, they're both exactly the same version. They both have goods in the back, so I still have to find the empty trunk version of this particular vehicle. Not too concerned about it. I do like the casting. I'm hoping that somebody else has two of the empty trunk and I can trade one with someone. So anyways, there they are. I'm gonna put one aside and then just show you some other versions of this particular vehicle that I have. So it is in maroon. I think this might have been the first version of it. One second. So as you can see, that this version has nothing in the trunk. I am looking for the version of this with goods in the trunk, and then we have it in this aquamarine color. And I have both versions of this particular vehicle. Look at this. So just to show you an example of nothing in the trunk and goods in the trunk. I hope you can see that and that it's clear, but it makes it interesting in terms of collecting, but you also end up having a whole bunch of cars you don't necessarily want duplicates of. And that's why trading great in this hobby. There they are, beautiful casting. I think it looks really good. It might be a touch longer than it should be, but still quite collectible, quite nice. Good set of wheels, fully detailed, and overall just a good looking car. All right, next we're gonna look at the Range Rover Evoque in blue. This is the fourth version of this particular vehicle, this casting. I've got three of the four versions. I'm missing the red or the maroon color version of this. I'm just going to open this up and have a look at it. Not one of my favorite castings, but still one that I do collect. All right, let's have a look at this Range Rover Evoque. The moving part is the door. It's convertible. Left-hand drive. I think I would have preferred it as a hard, with a hard top. So 2015 Range Rover Evoque in a metal flake blue, and then I have a version in white and champagne, and as I said before, I'm missing the maroon version of this vehicle, which came out in 2022. All right, last three vehicles to open up. Let's start off with this Porsche Taycan GTS Sports Turismo. Once again, a brand new model, a brand new die-cast vehicle for 2024. Looks like there's quite a bit of a gap between the door, the moving part there. So let's open it up and have a close look at it. All right, so there's the Porsche outside of the box. Moving part is the door. It does open quite easily. It's a left-hand drive vehicle, decent set of tires. Looks quite true to the real version of this vehicle. Detailed back. That is definitely not my favorite Porsche, but nothing wrong with this particular die-cast vehicle other than the huge gap in the door. Seems like the alignment's off as well. Yeah, on both sides. Look at that. They need to work. Matchbox needs to work on its design as well as the quality of some of the cars that they make. Quality control is not as good as it should be on some of these vehicles. But some good details. Look at the interior there. Cup holders. It looks really, really good. All right, next up, we will have a look at the Nissan. Another new casting, the 2022 Nissan Townstar. Once again, the gap in the door does look quite large. There's the car dot. Excited to open this. I do like the little vans that Matchbox is not actually that famous for doing. You see a lot of them made by Tomica, but I'm glad to see them make more and more of these vehicles. All right, so just opened this, and as you can see, it's a really, really flimsy door. Once again, just really poor production quality. Like, design's just not up to par. Look at that. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Whoever's in charge of design and quality control on these just need to be had a talking to, because this is just not acceptable in this day and age. Look at the gap, first of all. Like, the Egyptians moved huge boulders and you can barely put a piece of paper in between them. And look at this tiny little vehicle. We're in 2024, and look at that gap, and then look at the quality of this stuff. Just not good enough. I wish some of the other channels that had more of a say with Matchbox spoke up about this. For me, it's just not good enough. But other than that, I have to say it's a beautiful car. Love the livery. Glad they've added this to their line. Does look quite good. But the moving part, just absolutely atrocious. Can't say it's going to come off, but look at this. Just too flimsy. What is that about? Wow. But nice vehicle other than that. I mean, they can't get these moving parts right. They should just make these a part of the main line. Technology has advanced way too much, and precision cutting tools have advanced way too much to get this stuff wrong. All right, disappointed with the quality control, but I have to say, beautiful casting outside of that. And this is the vehicle that I've been waiting for, the 1992 Buick Roadmaster Estate. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love these wood panel vehicles, and I'm really, really excited to open this up. Another new casting for 2024. There's the car dot, and the box is the same as the others we've seen, so we're not going to spend too much time. So give me a second. I'm going to open it up and we will have a look at it. All right, there it is. Oops, sorry. The 1992 Buick Roadmaster Estate. Moving part are the doors. It's got a blue interior, left-hand drive, beautiful wood paneling, and look at that. They can get it right sometimes. Almost no gap. Look at that. So it's hard for me to tell if it's the production or if it's in the design, but some of them seem to work really, really well. Look at this, no gap at all. And then other vehicles, the moving part, the gaps, just outrageous. Beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Seems like there is things in the back, so I don't know if there's a variation without things in the back. You can see goods in the back there. Looks like camping supplies or something like that. So I'm not sure if there's two versions of this. I will be looking out for another vehicle to see if there is a variation. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. I love this. It's a great way to end this video. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. It is Matchbox Memories. And don't forget to hit the like button on YouTube. Have a fantastic week and enjoy today.